Hey, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to set up Essentials on your server. Firstly, head to the plugin page, which we'll leave in the description. There, all you have to do is press the downloads button and download the core Essentials plugin. That will instantly download the jar for you. Then all you have to do is head to Server.pro and into your VPS. Open up your service, head to Files, then Plugins, and drag the plugin in there. It should take no time for the plugin to successfully install, and ta-da! All you have to do now is restart the server for the changes to take effect. Keep in mind that your server will have to be set to either bucket, spigot, or paper. We also recommend making sure the version of the server is set to the latest so no issues occur. Now that the server is restarted, you should be able to head to Plugins and view the Essentials folder at the top. There you'll be able to see the config.yml folder and open it up. You can customize a bunch of settings in this config file, such as whether you want players to receive a starter kit, heal cooldowns, nickname prefixes, and much more. For example, if you want to also configure what items each player receives as a starter kit, you can head to kits.yml. There you can add different items and how much of them. Keep in mind to save the file and restart the server every time you make any changes. Now that we've downloaded the plugin and made configurations, you can copy your hostname and head into Minecraft. Enter your IP and then head into your server. Some common commands players use are /set_home to set the current location to home. This is super useful as you can just walk around, and if you get lost you can use the command /home to get back to your set point. In case you want to create multiple points to teleport to, you can also use the command /create_warp and then the warp name. This creates a warp you can teleport back to later. All you have to do is enter /warp and then the name of the warp. Another really cool aspect of this mod is you can request to teleport to players and they can request to teleport to you. It's important to note that you need to be an operator to run these commands. If you want all players to be able to run some of these, we recommend using luck_perms to assign the correct permissions. We also have a tutorial for this, which we'll leave in the description if you're interested. I hope I was able to assist you in setting up your server. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!